In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art by using Blender and Krita. This is how the scene looks like. I'll show you how the scaled half spheres were created. I removed the bottom half faces, and scaled the mesh on the Z-axis. Then I used the Shift-Z shortcut to duplicate it multiple times, and typed S to scale. I have added 3 point lights above the meshes, and there are 8 point lights in between the ground plane and the spheres. I'm using cycles with 16 samples to save time. Please use more than 16 samples for your project. The point lights placed underneath the glass material spheres create this illusion. This is how the final render image looks like after applying the composite nodes. Then I opened the rendered image from Krita, and went to the bokeh filter like this. Please match my settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.